Hey guys, Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today, guys. I'm back, guys, on behalf of 30-Day Success Formula. Everybody is kind of up in arms, kind of wanting to know what everybody's doing. Are you still doing the program? Is it still working? All these different questions. So, absolutely, I'm still doing the program. Okay? So, nothing's changed, guys. Okay? Still promoting 30-Day Success Formula. I think it is an awesome opportunity. Okay? Either you're going to do your own mailings or you're going to allow the company to do your mailings for you. That's it, the bottom line. Okay? Yes, the sales letter has changed from 6 pages to 12 pages. So, either have them do it or you can use postcard marketing to do that. Okay? That's what I am doing. Okay? And it's working for me because the goal is to get people to see your sales letter. And you can do that by using a postcard to drive them to your website. Okay, we have a system in place for this. And then your sales letter is going to be tied to that website. Okay, and there will be a video explaining the program. Okay, so what I want to show you today is I have a source where they've created postcards around the 30-Day Success Formula. Okay, my postcard is a little more personal and customized, but these postcards is centered around 30-Day Success Formula. So I kind of wanted to show you a template of what they will look like. So when you join me, I can direct you to my source and you can get these done for yourself as well. Okay, now before I show you that, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Okay, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you're here for the first time, so that you can subscribe to the channel and be notified. Click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so that way you know what's going on with me. All right, and like the video, I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, now this is a 4-year program, guys. It's been around for 4 years. It's not going anywhere. All right, it was off the radar, okay, until it was introduced to some online marketers, and that's how you guys probably found it and you landed here on my page. Okay, so but it works if you mail. Okay, so postcards is what I am doing, and I'm showing everybody that joins me how they can do that as well. Now if you come in at the 250 level or higher, I'm going to give you some leads to get you started so that you can start mailing to some targeted people that's interested in making money from home. All right, so let me go over and show you these cards. Okay, hang on one second. All right, so here you are. Here's some different templates of these cards. Okay, one of my favorite ones is this one right here. All right, I like this one because it really doesn't tell you what business it is. Okay, the other ones are fine. I'm just saying what I like. You may like something different. This is great too. Discover how you can turn 89 into $81,600. That's unique as well. But those are the ones that I like. But this is really nice, guys. These are already ready to go. All you're going to do is get you a domain, okay, from GoDaddy or wherever you want to get your domain from. And the system you're going to use, I'm going to share that with you. I'm going to put a link below. The system it's already set up for 30-day, the funnel. It's set up for you so you don't have to worry about creating a funnel or any of that. Okay, so you're going to use that system, mail out your postcards, drive people to the website that goes to the system that I'm going to put below, the link below. And then they're going to have videos in there that's going to explain the program for your prospects. And then your letter is going to be also attached in that system. Okay, so if someone wants to join, they'll click your letter and print it out and they will join you. Okay, so this is all tied together, guys. If you would just work the system the way we're showing you to do it, this can work for you as well. Okay, so let's go down, look at a few more. Okay, so this is more of what I call the back of the cards. Okay, so that's pretty neat there as well. Okay, so let's look at, I call it the back because the front to me is what the prospects will see when they open the mailbox and pull out the card, and this is what they will see. So I always call that the front. They call it the back. So at any rate, I like this one. Right here, you put your label there. You put your website on there. You can put your phone number on there if you want. And then see, I would have my return address put here. Okay, that way if they're returned for whatever reason, at least you'll know if that lead was bad. Okay, so this is perfect. This would be that side, and then you pick one of these to go along with it. Okay, so here's some samples for you guys. Okay, so if you're interested, this is a nice one right here too. It shows the 90-day money-back guarantee. And it shows right here where they can get started for 89 bucks. So it kind of gives them some information right there. Okay. So there you have it, guys. Some postcards for 30-day success formula. So if you are interested, just make sure you join me. I'm going to put my link below. Call me with questions, but go through the funnel, see how you like it. Again, you can come in as low as $89, but I recommend you come in higher. Simply because it's going to cost you 35 cents to mail a postcard. Okay? So basically 100 stamps for the postcards is going to be $35. And you're only going to earn $30 at the $89 level. You see how that doesn't weigh out? So it makes sense to at least come in at the $250 or higher if you can. But at least the $250, so you're making 100 bucks, and it takes 35 bucks to send out 100. Okay? So, with that being said, go ahead and click the subscribe button, guys. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? Go ahead and like the video. I greatly appreciate it. And I look forward to working with you guys. And I will see you on the inside. Okay? You guys have a blessed day.